Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. In today's lesson, we're learning how to write a compound sentence. Now, if you haven't checked out the video on how to write a simple sentence, go and do that now because it'll really help with today's lesson. All right, let's keep moving. Let's check in on our awesome checklist for today's lesson. Remember, these are our learning objectives, our roadmap to success. The first one, to know what a simple sentence is. Remember, if you don't know, check it out on the video below. Next, to be able to write a compound sentence. Then, to know that a compound sentence has two ideas, or clauses as they're called in grammar. To know that we can join these two clauses or ideas together with a conjunction, or a glue word, as I like to call it, because they are gluing these two clauses together. To know that we can use FANBOYS to help us remember some awesome conjunctions. And then finally, a cool trick. Think about a compound sentence as a simple plus a simple. So we're gluing two simple sentences together with a conjunction. All right, let's get moving. First, let's make a simple sentence together. So remember, a compound sentence is two simple sentences glued together. Now, you can choose one of these here, these examples, or if you're feeling confident and you've watched the other video, use your own simple sentence. The first one is, he wanted to go to America. Now, it's got a subject, a verb, and a complement. The next one, tornadoes are dangerous. And the final one is, Sally ran through the streets. Now, all of these are one clause or an independent clause. They all make sense by themselves, and these ones have a subject, verb, and a complement. All right, choose one, write it down, or make one yourself. Now, we need to think of another simple sentence because, remember, a compound sentence is two simple sentences glued together with a conjunction. Now, you can think of your conjunction first, but today we're going to come up with our simple sentence that we're going to glue on the back. Now, you could choose one of these simple sentences. For example, he wanted to stay home. They can be exciting, or she screamed loudly. These are all independent clauses. They all make sense by themselves and they're one idea. So, over to you. Choose one of these or make your own simple sentence that will connect with that first clause, that first simple sentence that you selected previously. All right, now we have our two simple sentences. It's time to glue these guys together using the right conjunction. Now, we can use the awesome FANBOYS to help us. FANBOYS is a really cool way to remember some conjunctions. FANBOYS stands for and, nor, but, or yet. Now, you can't just pick one at random. You've got to find the right one that fits your sentence. So, spend a few minutes now, choose a really great conjunction that will fit and glue your two simple sentences together. And if you haven't done any of that, maybe you can glue my sentences together using the right conjunction. Okay, over to you. Let's check in on those compound sentences we did together. Did you choose the right conjunction? Let's check. So the first one, he wanted to go to America or he wanted to stay home. We've got two simple sentences and we've joined it or glued it with that conjunction or. The next one, tornadoes are dangerous, but they are exciting. So we've joined those two clauses with the conjunction but. And our final one that we used as an example was, Sally ran through the streets and she screamed loudly. So we've used the glue word and as a conjunction to join those two clauses. Okay guys, spend a few minutes now, check your buddy's work or reread your work and check you've used the right conjunction. Okay, let's recap our learning objective from today's lesson. Give me a thumbs up if you know what a simple sentence is. Give me another thumbs up if you're able to write a compound sentence today. Give me another thumbs up if you now know that a compound sentence is made up of two clauses that are joined or glued together with a conjunction. And give me another thumbs up if you know what FANBOYS means. They're conjunctions. Can you remember what they are? And finally, give me another thumbs up if you now know that a compound sentence is basically two simple sentences glued together with a conjunction. Alright guys, let's keep moving. Now it's time to do some independent learning to consolidate what we've learned about compound sentences today. So, go and write 3 to 5 compound sentences. Use some of the language and the sentences we've used today to help you. Don't forget to use the awesome checklist as well. Remember, a compound sentence is made up of two clauses that are glued together with a conjunction, like FANBOYS. Okay, go away guys. Remember that practice makes progress. Keep working hard. Thanks for learning this today in Awesome English. I hope you learned more about writing and you improved your awesome writing skills. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.